first topic in this series is concept, nature, and significance of principles of management. Concept. The principles of management are broad and general guidelines for managerial decision making and actions. They help managers to take and implement decisions. Nature of principles of management. Universal applicability. They are applicable in all types and sizes of organizations. However, the extent of their applicability would vary with the nature, scale, and business activity. These principles are general guidelines informed by practice and experimentation. They are the guidelines to action, but they do not provide ready-made solution to all business problems as business situations are very complex and dynamic. They are formed by observation and experimentation and continuous feedback and improvements. Principles of management are not rigid. They are flexible and can be modified by the manager when the situation so demands. These principles are mainly behavioral. They aim at influencing the human behavior in a desired manner to accomplish the organizational purposes. These principles are based on cause and effect relationship. The principles of management establish relationship between cause and effect so that they can be used in similar situations in a large number of cases. Contingent. The application of principle of management is contingent or dependent upon the prevailing situation at a particular point of time. Their application has to be changed as per requirements. Now, the significance of principles of management. These principles provide the managers the knowledge, ability, and understanding of managerial situations and circumstances. Help them to learn from past mistakes and solving problems quickly. These principles ensure optimum utilization of resources and effective administration. They ensure optimum utilization of human and material resources as these principles focus on scientific outlook instead of trial and error approach, and managerial decisions are free from personal prejudices and biases. This would help to reduce the wastage associated with trial and error approach. Scientific decisions. They emphasize logic rather than blind faith. Management decisions taken on the basis of principles are free from bias. Management principles help in thoughtful decision making based on the objective assessment of the situation. Meeting changing environment requirements. Principles are flexible to adapt to dynamic environment. They help managers to meet changing requirements of the environment to accomplish the objectives of the organization. Fulfilling social responsibility. They guide managers to fulfill social responsibilities of the business. Value of the customer, care of the environment, dealing with business associates come under the ambit of this principle. Management training, education, and research. These principles provide the basic groundwork for the development of management as a discipline and are at the core of management theory. They help managers to appreciate their applicability in real situations. Thank you.